Hello, third graders. If you are watching this video, it is because I am absent for the day. Now, our day is going to look very similar to how our normal days look. You're going to go through the full schedule, make sure that you are following along with the activities. If there is something on Class Kick and you need to watch a video, you'll do those at the same time. You'll complete your IXL, Dreambox, or any reading that we're doing for the day. Now, depending on how many days I'm going to be out, if you have any questions, then you will have to contact whoever is at the bottom down here. That is who you'll have to contact. You'll have to tell your parents that Mrs. Tingley is out today, and they will need to talk to someone else if they have technology issues or anything else. If you have any trouble with anything, that is also who you need to contact. There's no excuse for not getting all of your things done for the day, even though I am not there. So let's go ahead, watch all of the videos for the day, and let's have a great Glen Acres kind of day.